Howdy folks, welcome back to WanderEats. Right now I'm in Bangkok. I'm gonna take you guys to have a little walking tour of Cosmo Bazaar. Now this is one of the more commercial area, northern part of Bangkok, which is actually very near the Don Mueang Airport, and can't wait to show you guys what's in store here. So let's go, shall we? Alright, here we are, Cosmo Bazaar. Now this is pretty late now, it's about 8:30. I was told there are a lot of good options for Thai street food. Can't wait. Outside there it seems to be like a Chinese restaurant. There's a Starbucks on the left as well. We are here for the Lifestyle Mall. As we enter, we are greeted by, oh man, Dairy Queen, my favorite. I might need to go here later. There is Satodon. Nice setup. Wow. There's plenty of sitting area, so that's the cashier. Here we go. Oh man, all the Thai snacks. Lovely. Chicken roll. Snacks. Just wanted to share, there are plenty of sitting area here as far as the eyes can see, and at the corner there are many stalls too. It's like a food court. Crab, mini crabs. Supermarket at the end. Oh man. Healthy green tea, waffle and smoothies. Cosmo Cafe. Nice. Hong Kong. Ooh, banh mi. Another Thai favorites. Nom kok. Fried chicken. Who could resist? All the fruits. Ooh. On the left, skewers, grilled pork, crispy pork skin. This seems to be a popular shop. Som tam. Nice. Yep, papaya salad. Avocado drinks. 69 baht. That's close to 9 ringgit. Pretty decent. A lot of restaurants lining up on the side. Oh, look at that juice. I need to get some of those. Oh, look at the dishes. Nice. Here as well, cooked to order. Egg. Oh, the grilled pork. Oh man, beautiful. Wow. Did I walk here? Do not think so. Pizza on the left. So cute. Pancake. Corn dogs. A lot of Korean influences here. Japanese street food. Oh, damn. Cannot resist this stuff. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Massaman curry. Chicken rice. Stewed pork, another Thai favorite. Lots of skewers. Japanese again, curries. Yogurito. Milk frappe on the right. And we're down to the last row. Healthy fruit. Yeah. It's a skewer shop on the left. And a Thai stir-fry shop on the right. Bacon fried rice. Look at that. Crab. It's a pancake shop on the left. Look at that. They have savory options too. Swenson. Wow. Noodles. Pad Thai. Interesting creations. Ooh, look at that. That's one of my favorites. Leng. I'm not sure if it's good though. There you go. A combo. 89. Yeah, that's about it. Let's turn around. Heading the other side, we've got Go Pizza, and this is where I believe all the restaurants are located. So we have Santa Fe Happy Stick at the end, Chester Fast Food, First Saigon right there, and of course the trusty MK restaurants. And at the end we have Starbucks. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for following me here to Cosmo Bazaar. I hope you guys had a great time with me. This is a great place to come for local Thai food, especially if you're within the north of Bangkok. So please do like, subscribe. If you have not, do consider subscribing, and guess I'll see you guys in the next video.